Hey there, welcome back to the Smart Home Life. I'm Josh Owens and I have my trusty sidekick here, Braden, with me. He's behind the camera. Today we're going to talk about the Eufycam. Walk through that setup a little bit and give you my thoughts on it. I actually started with the Logitech Circle 2 and we gave that a try. I wanted to use the wireless version. It turns out, number one, the wireless version doesn't work with HomeKit Secure Video, and I could not get that thing to work. Tried, couldn't get it to actually pair to my network correctly. So sent that thing back and ended up ordering the Eufycam 2, which comes with, I've got the little Homebase up there, Homebase 2 and two Eufycam 2s for like, it was either $250 or $299. We'll link in the show notes below if you're interested in it. And that'll be an affiliate link, so if you are enjoying this content, feel free to use that link and you'll help support this show. Appreciate that. Be sure also to hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying this content, and hit the bell if you want to be notified about our videos. And if you particularly like this one about the Eufycam, you can hit that thumbs up button too, and that helps us get more viewers. The Eufycam, I actually found it very, very easy. You open it up and the Homebase 2 is in there, the two cameras, and the base that you can pull out. And it was just, one screw to hold the little notched base piece, and you just pop the magnetic base right onto the piece you screwed onto the brick wall. We put it on the outside of the house. And once you get all that set up, plugged in the Homebase, got it to join the network, and then you can do the pairing setup. I'll show you what that looks like real quick. I've gone ahead and installed all the various pieces that we need for the Eufycam for the mounting system. Very easy, just magnetic, right? So that's pretty awesome. What we need to do now, like I've charged these overnight so they're fully charged. I'm going to pair this. So I've already set up the Homebase. It's actually just up there on a bookcase, plugged in. That's been set up, and I actually joined it to HomeKit, and that was quite a confusing process. So I'll show you what that looks like in the Eufy app. I think that's how you say this. And then we'll go ahead and pair this one as well. So if you go into the Eufy security app, the Office Homebase, you can open that up. And I didn't find this at first. I was trying, there's another way you can get to a HomeKit setup, but it wanted me to reset the Homebase. So instead, just go in here to the Homebase settings, click HomeKit setup. And if you haven't already given it access to home data, it'll ask for it, and then it'll go ahead and push it into HomeKit for you, so you don't even have to do anything. It will ask you to scan the little code on the bottom so it can join, but then it'll go ahead and put in the Homebase and the cameras you have. But what we'll do is go ahead and set up this additional camera. So I'll just hit add device, and this is the Eufycam 2. I'll say, are you sure it's the Eufycam 2? And yeah, it's the Eufycam 2. So then you just keep it within a meter of the base. It uses sound actually to work. So then I press the sync button. Next.
Ready to add device. Device was added successfully.
And then this one's gonna look out from the garage. So we'll go ahead and say next. Camera's initializing. Next. We'll say optimal battery life. Got it. I've already charged. Ooh, feedback. And there's Braden standing there with the camera. And then once you get everything paired, you just, you go and you put it on the outside of the house, and everything's working great. Like, I had a little bit of weirdness with sometimes HomeKit was telling me, oh, hey, someone's already viewing this video. But after the first setup, I actually haven't had that problem, so I don't know what was going on there. I think maybe because I had the Eufy app up on my phone, and then I was using my daughter's phone to look at it and trying to look at HomeKit. It was really, I think that's what maybe caused that weird message that I was getting. But if you see, now that it's all set up, let's take a look at what that looks like in HomeKit. You can see my screen here. Go over to the front porch. That's on the charger. And then, where's the one we just put up? Here we go. I need to move this one. But you can see the live view of the cars in the driveway. And then we have one right by the door. So when someone rings the doorbell, we can see what's going on there. And it's very easy to set up here. So I can just say, we'll say outside garage. I charged it overnight. The battery level's at 100%. Garage. There we go. So now you can see it showing up. We've got the garage door. I also set up Homebridge. We'll go over that in a later video. Was able to add my Tesla to that thing. And then we have the outside garage camera. So pretty easy to set up. I've been super impressed with the Eufycam system so far. The Eufycam 2 is the one that works with HomeKit. And like I said, it's really easy once you figure it out to pair to HomeKit. Hopefully soon we'll get HomeKit Secure video. I'm kind of excited about that. They said that's coming soon. So if you have any questions, be sure to leave those in the comments below. And we will be back next time with a video on the Yale Secure lock and how that works with HomeKit. Thanks for watching. See you next time.